Hello everyone, how are you today? In previous video we explaining the lesson, quadrilaterals. In this video we are going to explain cylinder, cone and cube. I will start by explaining the lesson quickly to save time.
What is the most detailed and simplified way to explain the concept of a cube and cylinder and cone?
To my pleasure. I am very talented at this and you will see for yourself. This is the cube. First I will draw it for you in a simple way, to form the main shape in your mind. And this will help you a lot to understand the explanation of this easy lesson, full of great details. This is the cone. This is the cylinder. Let's get started. A cube is a solid shape with 6 square faces. Each square face has the same side length and thus all the faces have the same size. Top, left, back, right, front, bottom. Now the 6 squares are combined to form a complete cube. And now the cube shape is complete. Top, left, back, right, front, bottom. A cube has 12 edges and 8 vertices. Each vertex refers to a corner, where 3 edges of a cube meet. The pattern of a cube is composed of 6 squares, ranged in a certain way. By folding, we can construct the cube using its pattern. A cube has different patterns. Here are 2 patterns of cube. Certain arrangements of 6 congruent squares do not give the pattern of a cube. Here are 2 patterns are not those of a cube. Now we have come to the end of the explanation of the cube lesson, and we leave it to you to practice what we have learned, and try it with different patterns in 2 ways, imagining or using the necessary tools for this. The cylinder has rolled up rectangle and 2 congruent bases. We roll up. The cone has a lateral surface obtained by rolling up the form, and 1 base. We roll up. Finally, we have come to the end of the cylinder and cone lesson, and we leave it up to you to practice the pattern we learned using the necessary tools for it. If you are still having difficulty after this detailed explanation of cylinder, cone and cube, follow with us to solve some question. But before we begin to solve the question, this is the most important words that were mentioned in the explanation along with their translation into Arabic, because our goal is to convey knowledge to the entire world. Exercise 1. Below is a cubic dice. How many hidden faces does it have? We have 2 ways of thinking, a logical way of thinking and a normal way of thinking. Logical way. Of course you know that any dice has 6 sides. Here it appears 3 faces. 1, 2, 3. So the remainder is 6 minus 3, so it is 3. Normal way. Count how many hidden faces have. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 hidden faces. Exercise 2. Find pattern that corresponds to each drawing. 1. This shape consists of rectangle and 2 identical bases. So this shape makes cylinder. Real example for this is paper when you roll it. 2. Directly see this shape is cone, so the answer is this. 3. This shape consists of 6 faces, so it is cube. I am very happy that you have reached the end of solving the questions. This is summary of this lesson. You should know that reviewing the video is very useful, and practicing solving the questions is very important to memorize the form and logic of the information. Good luck, friends. In the next video we will explain circle.